Hi everyone, out at the field today, field testing the GepRC GR2306 2750 kV motor on 4S, running a 6x3 EMP prop, Hobby Wing Platinum Pro 40 amp speed controller, custom settings 26.25 degrees on the timing, 8 kilohertz on the pulse width modulation frequency. I'll have links to all of those goodies and my bench test spreadsheet down below. If you watch my last video, unfortunately my speed build SU30 met its demise because the prop came loose. But anyway, so today I'm just mostly I just want to see what this motor is really capable of, putting it through several flights on 4S. So here we go. So of course this is a 27-inch wingspan plane compared to 24.5. I can feel that I'm sort of right up against the drag limit on this plane, but it's still fast. It's definitely faster than the Emax 2306 2750, which I initially tested in this plane on 4S. I do notice occasionally a little bit of torque roll, which I wasn't with the Emax motor. And it is zooming a little bit, so I've actually had to put in a couple of clicks of down trim to keep it from zooming too badly. But yeah, really smooth response and power. Definitely, you know, even in the short flight I had with my SU30 yesterday, I could tell that it's definitely got a lot more power, this setup, than the Emax. I think at full throttle about 140 gram increase, 1770 grams, just ridiculous you know, numbers on the bench, but pulling about 60 amps, so she's pretty amp hungry. Battery's starting to sag a little bit. We'll just let the battery recover here for a few seconds. Even with that extra drag, this is still a pretty seriously fast plane on 4S. This is definitely just a serious beast of a motor, this GepRC motor. Woohoo! Rocket ship. Yeah, it just rips. All right, so there's our landing alarm. Nice. So sorry folks, like a dummy there, I had a senior moment. I shut off the camera as I was walking out. So anyway, at half throttle, it's producing 1,040 grams, I think, of thrust, which is the most thrust I've ever seen on any motor setup. So let's just see. Yeah, the motor's warm. Yeah, I can hold my fingers on there for maybe about 5 seconds. But, you know, it's not like smoking, screaming hot. Yeah, speed controller is good. It's warm. You know, I mean, 60 amps on the bench. I know it's less than that in the air, but I am super impressed with this Hobby Wing Platinum Pro speed controller. It's you know, it is pretty pricey at 40 bucks American, but it's proving to be worth every penny. So yeah, so like 1,000 grams of thrust at Battery's a tiny bit warm. Over 1,000 grams of thrust at mid throttle. I think pulling about close to 27 amps. But yeah, so I'm going to keep pushing it hard. I fortunately, touch wood, that I used, when the prop came off, I was using one of those sort of bullet connectors, and this is an actual, you know, with the nylon, sort of the nylon lock material on the inside. This is a prop that actually comes with a quad racing motor. So from now on, when I'm testing on 4S, I will definitely use that nut, because that was actually the second flight back to back, I should have said. So yeah, that's probably why the motor was a little bit hotter. But yeah, that's great. That's just this is without a doubt, this GepRC motor is the most powerful quad racing motor I've tested thus far. So anyway, there we go, folks. I'll keep punishing it. I will be building another SU30 version 4, you know, as a speed demon, to try and break that elusive 100-mile-an-hour mark. I will build it. In my last video, I think I said I was thinking of reducing it. I'm going to build it the same size, because I did see some torque roll. So if I build it too small, torque roll is going to become a problem, possibly, and I don't want that robbing me of any speed. So yeah, I got to get busy with that. So there we go, folks. GepRC GR2306 2750 on 4S. Just a serious beast of a motor for its size. So thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.